Hey everyone, this is a tutorial on Unity on collisions with specific objects, and today we're using the Flappy Bird style asset package that can be found in the Asset Store by in Unity. It's free, so yeah, go try it out. So basically, in Flappy Bird, when you touch the ground or the pillars, you die, right? But let's say you don't want to die when you touch the ground. So let's see. Ooh, you don't die, as you can see. But when you do touch the pillars, you do die. So, I'm gonna be teaching you how to do that. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so this is Flappy Bird without the changes I've made and everything. So, as you can see, when we run it, when we do collide with the ground, we die. But let's also see if that applies to pillars. It should, and it's a little bit slow because I didn't modify the scroll speed, but yeah. So when it also collides with the pillars, it dies. So we're gonna be changing that so then when it collides with the ground, it doesn't die. Alright, so how we do that is we first access the script that controls the bird, the player, right? So then we're gonna open that up in Visual Studio. Alright, and then because this is imported, we have a bunch of stuff, and I'm gonna delete the ones down here because this is where we're gonna be adding stuff to our script. And boom, 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 boom. Alright, so the first thing we do is we're gonna change this part. We're gonna delete that, and then we're gonna type in collision 2D collision. Make sure you spell that right, because I've misspelled it, and sometimes it screws me over. Alright, so next, we're gonna type inside the brackets if parentheses collision dot game object dot tag equals enemy. Make sure you spell that correctly, and we're gonna make it so then these scripts go inside that. So meaning that when when the collision with an enemy with a tag of the enemy, then it will trigger these events to occur. Alright, so we're gonna save that, and so then we're gonna go back to our game. So now that we're back in our game, what we do is we're gonna have to change the columns. So we're gonna go to prefabs, we're gonna go to columns, and then we're gonna tag these. Oh, gotta add the tag first. So because enemy is not tagged yet, we're just gonna create one, and you have to spell it letter for letter and capital letter for capital letter. So we're gonna save that, and we're gonna go back. And now that we have an enemy tag, we can set the columns to be tagged as enemies. So now, when we do run the game, when we collide with the floor, nothing happens. We don't die. Wow. And then let's test it out with the columns that are now enemies. Bum bum bottom. We do die. And yeah, that's basically it on how to do collisions with specific objects. Hope you enjoyed it. See ya.